I'm Gary Dayton with Bryston Limited, and this is an exclusive video for Audio Advisor. Here we have Bryston's flagship digital to analog converter, the BDA-3. The BDA-3 is a new product for us and represents the absolute state-of-the-art in digital to analog conversion. The BDA-3 has many unique features about it, one of which is the sheer number of inputs available. We have 10 different inputs available across a variety of different types, including standard inputs like SPDIF, optical, toslink, and coax and BNC, AES EBU, a pair of asynchronous USB inputs, as well as 4 HDMI inputs available. We don't expect you to use all 10 inputs on the BDA-3, but we do expect you to find a variety of inputs to use for a large number of sources. Some examples might be, you could use one USB input from your dedicated music player, such as a BDP, and the other USB input could be used from a computer. You could use the HDMI inputs from a satellite or cable box, a Blu-ray player. You could use the HDMI input from something like an Oppo universal disc player and do SACD conversion right in the BDA-3 and get much better quality audio than you would get with the inbox conversion from the universal disc player. Taking a look at the front panel, you'll see an array of input selection, power, as well as a matrix of LEDs. The LEDs tell you what sample rate is coming in and whether or not it's PCM or DSD. You can also see all of this information on the web interface. Taking a look at the back, you see the array of inputs available as well as network and control connections. All of our DACs, including the BDA-3, have both balanced and single-ended outputs. Here you have the pair of asynchronous USB inputs, traditional SPDIF input on a BNC and RCA connector, and AES EBU. And of course, toslink is available for products like Apple TV or Airport Express. A unique feature of the BDA-3 is the Hdmi Switch. HDMI gives you a variety of connection options for AV gear, including audio. There's also one HDMI output for video pass-through. This supports 4K. The BDA-3 is capable of decoding a wide range of digital audio inputs. It will support all the way from 44.116 CD quality audio all the way up to 384.32 PCM. It will also support DSD up to quad rate. In order to do this, we have 2 separate clocking circuits available in the BDA-3. The Bryston BDA-3 is built on a fully modular platform. The DAC is located on one PC board. Here we're running a pair of dual AKM 4490 DACs in balanced mode. This both reduces noise and improves dynamic range. The main and input board is the largest board on the device. Every electrical input is isolated by a transformer. This reduces noise and optimally couples the source to the DAC. The HDMI board again is on a separate PCB. We have 4 inputs and 1 output, and it supports 4K video pass-through. The entire unit is powered by a fully linear power supply. This includes a toroidal transformer which radiates absolutely no noise to the precious digital audio circuitry. I'm Gary Dayton with Bryston Limited, and this has been an exclusive video for Audio Advisor.